Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you this our rice cooker for 14 years of using every day finally quit working. So this is it, the 14 years of using. So last night we bought a new one. So here we go. We'll do the box unboxing it. This is it. A new rice cooker, the same price as 15 years ago, but this one looks different color. This is black. So here we go. Let's go start unboxing it. The same size. Hopefully will last longer or same as the old one. So this is the lid. Say it's almost the same as the old one, same size. Yeah, it's the same size. And we got the measuring cup, different measuring cup. Yeah, it looks different. And we got this. Say it's black, and this is the old one. The old one is kind of white. It's pretty strong. But let's see which one is stronger. Which one will last longer. If this new one can beat the older one that it lasted 14 years. There you go. You can cook it until 3 cups of rice. And there is the biggest part of it. Here you go. And the old one, let me compare it to the old one. It's very close. It's very close. They got two. It's just a little bit smaller in that area, but it's just pretty close. There you go. And the inside, it's pretty close. See? So I'm excited to use this. So I will let you know how many years will this last. Because it's really easy to cook rice in a rice cooker. So here you go. It's simple as that, and we are ready to make some rice for tonight. 3 cups of rice fits in this little rice cooker, but you still can put it to 4 cups of rice. It's gonna be, the rice we're gonna go when it's cooked. It's gonna be level here. So there's the rice cooker box. As you can see, rice cooker living solution.
6 cups of cooked rice.
Oh, I was wrong. It prefers 6 cups of cooked rice. Non-stick, removable inner pot, tempered glass lid. What? You can put 3 cups here of uncooked rice, and when it's done, it will become 6 cups rice cooked. So here it is. It is hard to believe that the cheapest, smallest rice cooker we got 14 years ago, lasted that long. So let's see how long we're gonna last in this one. It's a newer one, and it's the same price. It's the cheapest and the smallest rice cooker, and it's so easy to use. We'll see you in my next video. Bye!